Hi friends, we are going to do a quick Adobe Spark search. When we search, we're going to click on this link that appears and we are going to click on sign in up here at the top right. When we click on sign in, we are going to make sure that we use the educator login, the one that says teachers and students, and you're going to log in with your at pdsb.net account. Once you click on this blue circle up here at the top, you should be able to see your at pdsb.net account. At this point, you are able to see different types of sizes and different types of layouts that you can use. We're not saying to post on Instagram or Facebook. This is just giving you the size. So if you were wanting to do an Instagram story, this would be the graphic option you would choose. For your e-portfolio, for any other assignment that you may wish to use a photo collage, simply click on photo collage and you are able to either import your own photos by uploading or you're able to search for some photos. I'm going to look for baking bread, and perhaps this is an in-process photo, a presentation photo, and then perhaps serving. Once I've selected the photos I wish to use, I click on next. I will select a size for my particular collage. I'm going to select square and click on next. Adobe Spark Post will actually organize the photos into a layout that best matches the number of photos that you've selected. And you are able to then add text or other images to that particular task. You can see here that my collage has now loaded. Over here along the left-hand side, I'm able to click on text, for example. I can choose a template. You will notice that if there's a yellow dot, it means it's premium. I would avoid that. I always tend to add my own text. So baking bread, sorry about that. Once I actually select that, I can change this. I can move it around. I can come over here and I can actually change the text color as well if I wanted it to be something like a blue color, if I wanted it to be this color. So it will offer some different suggestions. I'm also able to change the font by clicking on this down arrow and it will load the different fonts that you may wish to use for your particular collage. Once you've completed your collage, click on download, save it as a PNG or a JPEG, start your download. You are then able to take this image that you've downloaded and use it in any location that you wish. So here, this is my baking bread. And for our purposes of this particular assignment, I can now use this collage on my Google site if I wish to. So again, when I open up this photo, here is the JPEG, and again, I can use this very professional looking collage for any project that I wish to share.